Yes, welcome back. Inside studio here with me right now, I get winner of the stage season 2, Paschal Chrix. Inside studio here with me, of course, the stage, some kind of reality show, yes, call them talent show, because Richie day, you know, say get talent show when be saying, I only sing, they go sing, some people go there inside house and go they act. This one, Richie, they mix them up to find the most talented, and Paschal Chrix now emerge winner for that particular show as an actor, I believe. He won about 3 million naira plus brand new Hyundai Accent 2021 model. You don't say. You don't say. Person just sit down on your own. Just they move with the times. Now the clear definition of to move with times, like be that. Paschal, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Hey, see person now. See person. How you feel?
Yeah, I feel fulfilled. I feel like I'm on the right track.
If you're not fulfilled, I go borrow you fulfilled. Paschal, only you. You collect your 3 million, sit down. You drive 2021 car. Ew. Just talk to us briefly, really, about what you feel say make you stand out for this particular competition.
Okay, particularly I feel that I gave it my best shot. I had to put in work. And then I tried as much as possible to be able to portray different characters which I can reflect and show that, okay, there's something unique about my personality. And I tried as much as possible to make sure that every of my stage play had the message and all that. So I just put in my best generally, and then I just left it for God.
You really try. Honestly, I don't would like give you for you to put up that particular act there. You study theater arts or something?
I didn't study theater.
So why you decide to enter? Because when they look you now as your get job bid and go say, hey, this guy they sing. He go drop few bars before we come out here. But an actor in be. So why you decide to do the whole acting thing, sort of maybe singing or dancing?
Okay, because it's something that comes natural. So it's something that I started when I was very young, and so I won like best act on stage as a child. So all these things. So
let me say formal training even contributed. These are raw talents now you put out.
Yes,
and now you can't get this particular award. Amazing. We get clip of a big when you been win. Make we see as in be that time, but I don't change plenty as in day because it's not easy. 3 million can shake a lot of things. It's your brand new car. Make we see that clip.
The next act coming up on stage is inspired by one of the very best actors in the entire business, legendary Olu Jacobs. Give it up for actor Paschal.
I am Paschal Chrix. At my last performance, I did Man the Hope of Tomorrow, showing the struggles of men. But today, I am making my role model, Olu Jacobs.
I am hungry. I am a man of integrity and honor. Oh, when I walk with so much oral and pride. But now, I have been ridiculed. I have become the object of shame. Children see me and they run and hide. Some throw stones at me. They laugh. I am their king. It was a woman of your kind that cast a spell on me, the others, one. Now I have lost everything. Who would love a beast? Who would accept a beast?
So as I see that thing, and I go tell you to make that thing very spectacular, because when I see the news, I say, okay, Olu Jacob, so they carry me, but I see say, like the Beast meets Olu Jacob, right? Yeah. Almost like the whole Beauty and the Beast kind of thing coming on from even your makeup and everything. Exactly. Amazing concept. So you decide to add those two and to use that voice. Because your voice, they're very grave when they deliver. You think and well. Yeah. Nobody say you just on stage. You really think that matter well. Congratulations one more time. Now, understand, of course, this is the stage season 2 and Nigeria. Reality show. Now the second season, I ain't been win, and the competition are for people who be say get talent and and fit to display. So they go give you platform to showcase your talent. And they're very rigorous because in Nigeria, talent, talent they everywhere. So for you to even reach that level, self, to can't even emerge winner. Na different matter, and Connector Incorporated then own this particular show, and philanthropist, when they say that they call Mr. Rex Mafiana, CEO of FPG Technologies, Naija behind this particular show to bring out raw talent from Nigeria and also reward them accordingly. So I just want to ask this question first of all before we talk about Mr. Rex. What will be your next plans now? What we say you don't emerge as an ambassador of the stage brand? Okay, so basically, I have big plans, but you have to break down your plans into weekly, into monthly budget. So we're looking into working hand in hand with Connector. Okay. As in to push my craft. We're releasing skits, working on some content to put out there, working on a project to also help people that have the talent and on the streets that don't have anything, working on charity also. But majorly, we're doing some skits and working with some people like MC Mbakara, and hoping to work with some other top people, while we're also looking at the bigger picture of a movie and also create content. All right, then, of course, a platform made all this possible in the first place. Connector and Mr. Rex, to begin with. What do you have to say to these people who have actually made your dream come true? Wow, I can't express the joy that I have. But I want to especially thank Mr. Rex Mafiana. He just shows that he has this genuine love for people and their talent, because he solely sponsored that. It's not easy to solely sponsor a project like this, considering how they gave us the comfort, considering everything they put in place to bring us out there. I just want to really appreciate him and say thank you so much, sir, for this. I've met him once or twice, and he's like a father figure. The words he says to you, I just want to, he even gave me a book and a pen so that I can jot down my plans, and then so we'll run with it. Amazing. So I really appreciate it. All right, then. Well, thank you. And already here I am. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the winner of the stage season 2, Paschal Chrix. In case you didn't see him in the Cruise 2021 car. That's still enter my head. I don't like give you other accent. Well, congratulations once again. And I wish you all the best in all you do.